Welcome, welcome all. Welcome to Financial Freedom. Today we have session 7 of 12. So today we are going to learn about MACD divergent technique for short-term trading. So this trade will last for maybe 8 to 10, 15 days maximum. So once you have the setup, then you enter and exit within max to max 10 to 15 days. So that is how short the trade is. So that's why I'm saying it's a very short-term trading. I'm not tried in intraday, but you can try this in intraday. I believe the same principle will be applying in intraday. Though there are better techniques in intraday, but you can still try in intraday. So let's begin. Can I have yes from all of you if you are ready to dive into MACD divergent technique? Ready? Okay, great. Okay. So let me take you straight away to the MACD. What is MACD? And then, okay. So first, what I will do is I will tell you what I mean by MACD, what I mean by MACD diversion. Once we understand that, then I will take you through a slide or directly here I can show. So first of all, this is the chart. I have taken the chart of Infosys. I'll be taking you through examples of Infosys and Reliance, and then I'll show you. So let's put the indicator first. The indicator is MACD. So you have to go type MACD. So you have this MACD indicator. You click on the MACD indicator. Here is the MACD indicator. Whatever is the default setting, let the setting be. Okay. So don't change any settings. This is the histogram and this is the averages which cross over. So we are going to use the histogram, these bars which are below. So can I have, are you able to see the chart? Can I have, if someone is, type yes, if you are able to see the chart, Infosys chart in front of you. Okay, you are able to see the MACD indicator also on that. I have put MACD indicator on that. Okay. The third point is I'll just expand it a little bit. I'm compressing the chart. This is the MACD histogram. Okay, whatever these bars are, these are called MACD histogram. This is formed by the price action here. So Infosys is moving like this. Because of this, the relative price action of last 26 days and 12 days and 9 days, this histogram is forming. अपने को इतना ही knowledge चाहिए, उसके ऊपर we don't need any knowledge. Now, what is the diversion I am talking about? There is a diversion, MACD diversion I am talking about. See, if I keep my mouse on 20th December, I'll make a line. So I have drawn a vertical line here. Let me make it dark so that everyone is aware. Okay, so 20th December on Infosys, I have drawn a line. If you see, this is the histogram. So can we say this U curve is formed because of histogram and it almost touched till 0. Okay, so this is a center line is 0 line. It goes, histogram goes on the positive side and on the negative side. Negative side, it will be showing as a red component. On the positive side, where my mouse is, it will be showing as a green as a positive. So it oscillates between positive and negative. In negative, it has gone till this much and almost gone back to 0. Now, if I see it went down here and went up or almost sideways, okay, the histogram went down and went up. If I join this bottom and this bottom here with a line, can we say that this bottom here, the V shape, sort of V shape, you have to give me some leeway. So this V shape here, this bottom here is lower than the bottom here. It came down, it formed a bottom, it went sideways for some time, then went down, and then went up till here it went up. So can I say this bottom is lower than the previous bottom? Agree? Clear? Yes, no? If you agree, type A. If it is clear, type A. Okay. Now, if you see the histogram below, histogram corresponding to this bottom, this is the bottom here in MACD histogram, and corresponding to this bottom, this is the histogram. Bottoms are forming lower bottom, but histogram, the V shape is higher relatively, correct? So the price action is going down, but the histogram V shape is going up. Clear? Yes, no? This is called divergence. Same or similar divergence we will be looking at in RSI also. So whenever such indicators, MACD or RSI, they show such kind of divergence where the V shape in the indicator is lower, and with the lower price action, it has a higher V shape, like we have histogram. Here, this V shape is here. The price has gone down further, but the histogram bottom is still higher. So we are having a higher low in the histogram, but in price, there is a lower low. This is a divergence. Whenever we have a divergence, this is opportunity. Same thing, same principle will be applicable in our RSI also. I'll take on RSI also sometime. So what we have to do, once we have this divergence, see, this is the divergence. I'll take this example. Okay. Now here, price went down, 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 down. This is the histogram here. Then again, it went up and went down. This is the second histogram. So it almost touched, it crossed in the positive sense. Even if it is going less, and then again a histogram is forming with a lower low, can I say this price has gone down, but the histogram has gone up? Agreed? Yes. Now, if this is the divergence which we are observing, then once the price crosses here, it almost comes to zero, or even this signal line, blue line crosses this orange line, that is the line. There are screeners available, charting and all screeners, free screeners are available. You can always see whenever MACD is crossing, MACD is below zero and signal is crossing, then you can filter it out. I'll show you also. So we will show, but this will not happen every time. You will have to wait patiently. So once this histogram divergence happens, at this point, when it is coming to zero, you draw a line. So this has come to zero, it is about to cross over. You draw a line. This is your entry line. What is the stop loss? Stop loss is the low, the nearest bottom. This is the nearest bottom. This is your entry. You buy here. This is your stop loss. So what do I mean by stop loss? Because we are trading when it is going up. That's why we want to trade it, correct? So it's a breakout trade, and so we buy here. If at all, if it comes down and goes below this, we will exit. So this is our stop loss. So how much is our risk? Let's say if I am buying only one share, then 1413 and 1355, around how much? 50 rupees and 8. So 58 rupees is my risk. So if my risk is 58 rupees, okay, so this is my 58 rupees. I'll take the questions. Just hold on. Just hold on. Huh? Mike, just hold on. I'll just go ahead with what I'm doing, and then we'll finish. I'll come to it again. And then this is 58. So this is 1:1. Okay. Oh. And again. Okay. So this is my target. So what happens is, I'll delete this. My risk is 58 rupees. If I enter here, then if it goes below this line, I will exit. I'll book losses and come out. That is the good way of trading. You should be ready to exit with losses as well. So if it is, I'm entering here, if it goes up, if it goes below this, I will exit. If it goes up, where will I exit? I will exit at 1:2. So what I am doing is I'm keeping my risk reward as 1:2. So loss if it happens 58 rupees, profit if it happens, it should be more than 1. You can keep, you can as well come out 50 to 60% here and go to 1:3. So you can plan out with your experience. I think 1:2 is optimum. 1:3 is little more taking risk. So at least you take out your principal and some profit and let it go till 3. That is also you can do. So how many of you it is clear as of now? Mayank, I know it is not clear, so I'll repeat. But others, can I have yes if this trading plan is clear? Yes, no? Okay, no. Okay, so we have a few yes, few no. Okay, great. Okay, I'll repeat again. I'll take you through step by step. Okay. Wait. Now, okay. If I am looking this here like this, okay. So I'll ask questions step by step. So how many of you are clear with the divergence? See, this is the bottom. This is the bottom which is formed. We can see visually, okay, this is a lower low which has formed. In histogram, MACD, there is a higher low form. This divergence is clear to everyone. Can I have yes at this point? Clear? Okay, great. I'll just wait. If someone is saying nahi, to abhi nahi bolo, nahi to hum aage nikal jayenge. Okay. Now, see, now here, one way of sure entry is whenever you see, now can you see that this histogram here has almost reached till the zero line? This is the zero line. The histogram, it has reduced and it has reached to zero, almost zero. Correct? Clear? Okay. Now, if one entry point is, forget why it is light pink, because it is going up. So maybe that's why they are based on I don't know, the price movement. I have not gone into deep into why it is represented as light pink or dark pink. Apne ko sirf we have to see the shape for our trading. That is good enough. Okay. So now my entry can be the low. Okay. Name of the indicator is MACD. Okay, MACD. So my entry point can be, see, once I see the phenomena, first entry point can be the lowest point of the previous low. So here I'm drawing a line at the low. This is the bottom and this is the lowest of the previous this thing. Mayank, okay? Everyone okay? This is my entry point. The lowest point in the previous V shape I have taken as my entry, and whenever the price will cross here, I will enter. Okay? Everyone okay? Hello? Okay. This I have decided that I will enter. Once I decide I will enter like this, I have to decide my exit point in case I am facing a loss. Every time, whenever you are taking a trade, you should know at what point I have to take losses and what point I have to take profit. After you put your money in the instrument, in the stock, then you decide कि यार अब करना क्या है, where should I exit? That is the biggest mistake people do, that they first buy the share, then they scratch their head. Let me show it like this, and they'll keep scratching their head how to exit. That is the worst way of trading, the easiest way to lose money. If you know the entry point, your exit point should be also known. So you should decide, okay, if it goes down, if it goes against me, because I'm thinking it will go up, it might hit loss. There is nothing like 100% guaranteed system. It might go up. So if I get an entry here, when it crosses here, if it gets entry here and starts going down, I will exit if it goes below the low of the current low. So this is my exit criteria. So this is my entry criteria. This is my exit criteria. Clear? In loss. Okay. Yes, no? Okay. Now, if I see 1438 minus 1355, how much is there? Let me calculate. 1438 minus 1355 is equal to 83 rupees is my gap, correct? So if I buy a share, I will lose 83 rupees. So into 2, if I do, it will be 166. 166 plus 1438 is equal to 1604. So I'll draw one line at 1604. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is, whatever is my stop loss. So if I'm ready to lose 83 rupees, I want to get profit of double of my stop loss. Okay. So what I will be doing is, if I'm entering here, I will exit here. In case of loss, where I will take the profit, I will take the profit here. Everyone okay? So far so good. How I have drawn, this is my entry, this is my exit in loss, this is my exit in profit. Done? Okay. Now let's take one more step. Now see, what has happened is, Anand is asking profit line how to draw. I have shared in my playlist how to use trading view. I have given in detail how to use trading view and all, how to use all these lines and all. So I have given in detail how to draw. Even you can calculate and put it. Now, see here, the signal has, blue line has crossed this golden line here. Can everyone see? At the bottom here where my mouse is, this blue line has crossed above the signal line. Yes. Now what you can do is, since it has crossed, the histogram has gone above the zero level, and this is the candle, you can as well move your entry to the high of this candle. So what you are doing is you are bringing down your entry. So earlier it was 1438. Now we have reduced it to 1413, as well as you can adjust your target also to a lower value. So this is now your new entry. Tomorrow you will take the new entry. This is our stop, that will not change. And next day we have no entry. Next day we have entry on 4th of October, and this is our target. So 1420 minus 1355, how much it will be? 1420 minus 1355 equal to 65 into 2 equal to 130 plus 1420 plus 1420 equal to 1550. Okay, so our target is now 1550 because our entry is lower now. Stop loss is this. So whatever we are doing, we will be exiting at 1:2. So we go and then this is where we exit. It has gone up. What you can do is you can book at least 1:1 profit, at least book. Correct, 50% profit you take, you can hold on. If you want, you can exit the entire position. It is up to you and up to your experience. I am suggesting 1:2. Find the opportunity, take 1:2 and exit. So if you see from here till here, it took almost how many days? Whatever, 1 month it took to go 1:2. You can come out. Clear? Entry, exit, profit taking, loss taking, clear? Can I have yes from all of you? It is very clear. If it is clear. Yes. Okay, great. Any no, any questions? Okay. Okay, so similar we have right now. Current situation, this is the current situation of Infosys. This is the situation today. Already the entry has happened. See here, can we see in the Infosys trade, can we see the divergence? This is a low, this is a lower low, this is the current situation. Lower low, yes. Histogram, higher low, correct? It almost touched zero. It may not cross zero, but it almost touched zero. And here it has crossed, correct? It has crossed. Now we have here, it has crossed the zero line here. We can take, okay, and it has crossed here. We can take the high of here. Okay, so we take a line here. Okay, now see, this is, if you want to go with the crossing above zero line or almost zero, this is also you can take. See here, 12th of Jan, 13th of Jan, Friday, it crossed above the histogram. This has gone to positive. You can take a high of this, take a low. Here, how much is the difference? 1519, 1446. How much? 1519. 73. 73 into 2, 146. 146 plus 146 plus 1519 equal to 1665. Okay, so let's see. 1665. Okay. See, one more assurance we get when we see this number is, if it is matching the previous top. See, there was a top here, correct? The price went till here and went down. if our numbers match with the previous tops, okay, if it is exceeding the tops, take the previous top. This was the previous top where my mouse is. Can everyone see? See, our current target is meeting the previous top. So that gives us little bit confidence कि boss at least previous top तक तो जाएगा. मान लो if, okay, I'll reduce the size of histogram and increase the size of the chart. मान लीजिए if our target is somewhere here and the previous top is here, then I would recommend to take some profit at the previous top, because if your 1:2 is pretty much higher than the nearest top, like this top is here but your target is here, take some profit at the top because it will face some challenges near the top. But since our target is here, let's see in the coming days if the Infosys goes there or not. Okay, so right now it is going up. It may take some time, maybe in another 1 month or so, it might go till there. But please remember, taking losses is also part of short-term trading. No. You can take that also as an entry, or you can take when it crosses above here, both. Okay. Gopal, I think don't use MACD for intraday. You can find it out. I have not used in intraday because I'm not an intraday player. So, but this histogram will be forming in intraday. So you can search and have a look at it. Okay. Okay. So everyone clear? Everyone clear about the setup? Everyone clear about the trading plan and how to trade, how to find the exit criteria, how to find the entry criteria, exit criteria? Can I have yes from all of you? Okay. Any questions? Whatever we have learned so far? Okay. Those who have joined today or those who have joined for the first time, I have shared YouTube playlist. This is the 7th session we are having. So I'm making a playlist on YouTube, so you can go through playlist. I have put it in the sequence for the newcomers. So who are beginners, maybe who are joining first time today, I'll be sharing the playlist in the group, Financial Fitness group. You can go have a look at that playlist from 1 till 7. You will understand everything and you will be able to follow and earn money through that. Okay. Line indicates blue and yellow. Okay, let's see blue and yellow. See, go to the setting. See, this blue line is MACD, yellow line is signal. Okay, so like that. Okay, so great. Thank you so much for joining today. Thanks a lot for your time. See you next Wednesday. Thank you. Okay, Elicon. Okay, let's see the Elicon. I'll stop the recording and then